A very good afternoon to all of you. I am Akanksha Mongia, Assistant Professor at Law Department of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this webinar on how to crack CLAT. Now, this webinar is an initiative to help school students to make an informed choice on how to kickstart their career in the field of law. A lot of questions might be running through your mind regarding the best way to crack CLAT and get admission in the sought after BA LLB course. We hope that today's webinar can provide a pathway to find some of the answers. Today, it is an honor to welcome our distinguished speakers. I would like to welcome Mr. Manjinder Singh, Mr. Amit Podar, Dr. R.K. Tandon, Dr. Barkha Behel, Dr. Shashi Bala, and also all our dear participants. Welcome to all of you once again. Virtual reality has become a norm today, so let us take you through a quick virtual tour of Trinity. Get a glimpse now.
Trinity Institute of Professional Studies was established in the year 2007, and since then it has been promoting quality education and fostering academic excellence. Courses offered at Trinity are BBA, BCA, BA JMC, BCom and BA LLB. The BGMC department has a well-equipped video studio and production controlled room with teleprompter, different types of lights, audio and video switcher, and HD still and video cameras. The institute also has a fully air-conditioned audio studio for audio recording and for radio journalism with talkback system, Yamaha speakers and Yamaha audio console and various recording equipments. In the post-production lab, budding editors can access Apple iMac machines with FCP and Adobe CC professional softwares. The library at TIPS is a comfortable getaway from the noise and hustle of the campus for students and faculty members alike. TIPS has 3 well-equipped computer labs with 175 computers with the latest and updated softwares like Adobe Family, InDesign in C++, Visual Studio, Java, Oracle, and Tally 9.0. The Department of Law is equipped with a moot court. It is used exclusively by law students for mooting practice and to conduct moot court skills development workshop.
Years after years, our students excel in the university exams by securing top grades. Our student Simranjeet Kaur Rainu, student of BA JMC, awarded gold medal for academic excellence in the 13th convocation of GGSIPU.
The PR head of Shaurya Dramatic Society.
Hi guys, my name is Ankit and I'm the head of the Street Dance Society of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, that is ZOPS.
My name is Harsh and I am a student of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies.
Shaurya has showcased more than 600 performances within Delhi NCR and outside Delhi as well. We have been fortunate enough to receive a lot of achievements, applause and laurels throughout the Delhi Collegiate Theatre Circuit.
ZOPS is the Street Dance Society of TIPS. In street dance, there are different types of dance styles that are like hip-hop, popping, breaking, locking, etc., which are being taught to the new members every year through team seniors or choreographers.
At Udyami, we organize numerous events within our college, such as internship fairs, placement drives, workshops, quiz competitions, and so on. We also help in placements. Recently, companies like Wipro, Amazon, IBM, and British Telecom visited our campus and offered placements to our students.
None of these would have been possible without the constant support of our institution. Trinity has always been instrumental in the journey of Shaurya.
Our college has also supported us a lot. They have even provided with the choreographers. Wherever ZOPS have been participating, it has always made the college proud.
We would like to thank the management of our institution for their constant support in our workings and for their initiatives towards installing an incubation center last year.
So next year we're going to do even better and we are excited to meet the new members we will be having in our team.
Shaurya would like to welcome you all at Trinity.
trusts are earned. Your quality is before everything. Nothing is emotional but in facts and figures. They follow the laid down course. They mean more than just a profession. They mean hope. Where justice can be delayed but never undelivered. Nurturing the society with their work. Apply now.
I really hope you enjoyed that video. We shall commence this webinar with the first address by respected Dr. R.K. Tandon, Chairman TIPS. I would now like to request Sir to kindly commence his address.
Thank you, Akansha. Good afternoon, dear colleagues, associates, and my dear students. My hearty welcome to all of you in the webinar of How to Crack CLAT 2020. We have with us two very effective and knowledgeable subject experts from Time Education. A very warm welcome to Mr. Manjinder Singh. He himself trains students for CLAT examination. Another eminent subject expert we have, Mr. Amit Podar. Mr. Podar has very vast experience in training students for various programs. Dear students, GGS IPU has adopted CLAT score for admitting students in BA LLB and BBA LLB programs. This time, NLU Kochi is conducting online CLAT examination for the first time. CLAT will be held on 22nd of August as per current information. The duration of BA LLB course is 5 years. It is an integrated course offering BA plus LLB. In BBA LLB, it is an integration of BBA program as well as LLB program. Many students, they ask which specialization is better, which one is the best. In my opinion, students, if you want to open a law firm or if you want to go in some legal cell of a company for the job, then you should do BBA LLB. But if you want to go for some judiciary service, or you want to become a judge, or you want to become an eminent lawyer, then you should go for BA LLB program. If you choose BA LLB, then your scope is wider. You are not narrowing down your scope right this moment. Later on, whatever you want to do, you can do with BA LLB program, whereas in BBA LLB, if you are doing this program, then certainly when you go outside in the industry, then they will see you as an expert of management as well as law. But in BA LLB, they will see you as a pure law person. So you can be more effective if you do BA LLB program. That is why Trinity Dwarka also has chosen this specialization, that is BA LLB in place of BBA LLB. With this, I conclude. It is over to Akansha, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words. Mr. Manjinder Singh is a renowned trainer and knowledge expert with Time Education Group. His vast experience and expertise has benefited many students immensely. We are honored to have you amongst us today, sir. We have another esteemed speaker as well for the session, Mr. Amit Podar. He is a knowledge expert and regional head at Time Delhi. He has mentored many students and conducted various career counseling sessions. It is a privilege to have you amongst us today, sir. I would like to invite our distinguished speaker, Mr. Amit Podar, to kindly commence the session.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tandon sir and Akansha, for the lovely introduction. Okay, so I would like to share a presentation while I discuss about the CLAT entrance examination, how to prepare in the next few days, and what are the different sections in the examination, and what strategies should be followed to crack this examination, because that is of utmost importance. So one has to realize one's true potential. That is the key over here.
Hello, sir. Amit sir. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Your voice is not that audible.
Okay, so
yeah, if you could just turn up the volume a little bit.
Okay, so I'd like to share a presentation and then discuss all these things with the students. One thing is important over here, and that is one has to be motivated, for another month, I would say, because the exam has been postponed so many times, all these exams. So one has to be motivated. So that's the whole idea, to again restart the preparation, I would say, to a lot of students. So this is what we are here to discuss about, the CLAT examination. Probably this is thought to be the mother of all the law entrance exams in the country, in fact. And, a highly competitive examination, I would say, my friends. So to crack this examination and score as per your potential, you need to really be on your toes and work really very hard, at least for the next 1 month. Because as of now, I think as Mr. Tandon also said, that examination, the current date which we have is of August, in fact, August 22nd, if I'm not wrong. So around a month we have for the preparation. And I'm sure students must be already preparing as well. Because if you look at law as a career, a lot of serious students go for this career opportunity. It's an amazing career, my friends. Definitely it's an amazing career with a great future in terms of respect, in terms of salary, in terms of recognition, in terms of job satisfaction, as Tandon sir has already explained. So that kind of satisfaction this career can give to any aspirant, actually. So see, once you start preparing for this examination, the motivation has to be there. And the motivation will only come when you're able to, see yourself achieving the goal itself. See, a lot of times to motivate oneself, you have to imagine yourself as a lawyer or a magistrate, for example, or a judge of some, high court or Supreme Court, which you would become after some years maybe, or, maybe a corporate lawyer in some top-notch company. So if you can imagine those kind of situations right away, my friends, I tell you, you will be able to easily crack this examination. The goal has to be right in front of you. So examination is not an hindrance. A lot of people, they have a belief, oh, CLAT is a tough examination. It's a tough nut to crack, which it is not, I tell you, my friends. If you're serious about the examination, if you know about the pattern, if you know about the kind of questions which come in the examination, if you know about the tips and tricks to handle questions, it will not be difficult for you anymore. But that dedication is needed for, 1 more month. You must be preparing hard, all of you. So that dedication definitely is necessary. So to give a brief and a background slightly that, once you choose a career, law as a career, we're talking about the next 5 years. That's what we're talking about. So investing the next 5 years. So you need to be definitely very sure of it. That, okay, this is the career I want for myself. And once I'm into a good law school, I'm, already in safe hands. In 5 years, the kind of learning you get, the kind of experience, I would say, the kind of experience you get in terms of moot courts, which means you'll be in that virtual court a lot of times in that law school. That's how they train you. It's not just the theory. It's about practical as well. So practically being in that kind of situation. So that's what this course is all about. That's what makes this course very interesting and in fact, a very sought after course for a lot of aspirants. So with that belief, you have to go and take the examination, right? So it's like that. As Albert Einstein has said once that everyone is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its, way to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid. Which means what? Which means please understand your abilities. And based on your abilities, you need to crack the sections of this exam or any other exam, whatever you look for. So that's how it is. So, see, at the end of it, whatever choice you have made already about your life, your career, one can have, the main plan and the backup plans ready. So based on your discussions with your parents, your peer group, your teachers, you must have taken your decision already. So that kind of guidance is a must, my friends. All of you, all the students out there, please seek guidance. Don't feel, bad about it. Don't be hesitant in terms of asking questions to people, in terms of, reaching people for guidance. There's no harm in that. There's no harm in that. And also keep in mind the environmental factors when you decide on any career opportunity. Law as a career, we have a lot of career options, but then see, if you look at the law as a career, definitely it is something which, which stands apart, my friend. So that's again an interesting field to choose. Okay, so if we talk of the entrance exam itself, talk of the exam itself, see, this is the key factor in the examination. Till last year, if you have checked, there used to be around 200 questions. And now the number of questions, it has come down from 200 to 150 questions. So that is one very important change for this year. The number of questions have gone down. That's a silver lining, in fact. It's a silver lining for you students. Otherwise, a lot of times people and aspirants would, be very intimidated by, these many questions in just how much time? In just 120 minutes, probably. So that silver lining is one good thing for all the aspirants over there. Number of questions, again, has gone down by 50. So it's now 150. And this has not happened during the COVID time, my friends. It is not because of the COVID they have done this. They may further reduce it. We don't know right now. But this announcement was made way back in January, I tell you. January, which means they had this from the very beginning that, okay, number of questions are more. Let us slightly reduce it. So what you have right now at hand, 150 questions in 120 minutes. May not look that scary. But if you look at 120 questions, 120 minutes for 200 questions, oh God, it looks slightly scary, I would say. But even then, students like you have managed good scores in that examination. So nothing to be scared of. So this is a positive thing for all of you to take. Okay, so time pressure now is slightly less. So good thing, all of you. Negative marking, yes, it'll be there because one cannot randomly keep on attempting whatever you feel like without even realizing what is right, what is wrong. That will not work in any entrance examination. Careful, be discreet in your judgments. Future lawyers, be discreet, be careful in your judgments. That's very, very important. Don't do everything. Leave some questions, right? So if you leave some questions, it'll give you, fruits later on in terms of time saved and also marks saved. If you don't get a lot of minuses, you are, of course, gaining a lot in terms of all the positive answers which you get. So be very careful, all the aspirants, about the negative marking scheme. Don't just be carried away and attempt everything, whatever comes your way, my friends. So, I mean, of course, in the entrance exams we talk of, it's about the right answers. It's not about the steps. So have those tricks and tips ready with you. You know, better tricks and the tips, shortcuts. Now, these things are important. So to prepare in such a manner that you don't spend a lot of time in one question. And more importantly, have that exit time. So when I say exit time, what I mean, don't fall in love with the question. Don't fall in love with the question. ऐसा नहीं कि क्वेश्चन में आप बोलो नहीं तो करना ही है मुझे, इसको करे बिना मैं आगे जाऊंगा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है, right? Be more than eager to leave a tough question and do an easy one. Why do I say this, my friends? Because all these questions, they carry equal marks. Whether it's a tough question or it's an easy question, they carry equal marks. So if all these questions, they have equal marks, what do? I will not spend a lot of time on difficult ones. I'll spend time on easy questions, which means the questions which consume less time. Simple बात. Easy का एकदम simple definition है, जिस question में कम time लगता है उसको easy बोलते हैं, और easy का कोई मतलब नहीं है. When I say attempt easy questions in the entrance examination, what I mean is the questions which take less time. That's easy. Say for example, आपको कोई question पता है, ये आप कर सकते हो, but then you're going to spend around 3 minutes in getting that answer. On the other hand, there are a lot of GK questions which can be done in 30 seconds, 20 seconds, or even 10 seconds. तो यहाँ आप 3 मिनट में एक क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो, वहां पर 3 मिनट में आप पता नहीं 10 क्वेश्चन कर लोगे. So that kind of thing is important. So please, my friends, GK is again an important section which will give you a lot of marks in less time. So be careful about this strategy, all of you. So do not fall in love with the question, have an exit time. So that's where the strategy comes into picture. And of course, if you see a tough paper, don't be afraid of it. Don't be sad about it. If you see an easy paper, don't be very happy about it. Why so? Because if the paper is easy, it's easy for all. सबके लिए आसान है, सबके नंबर ज़्यादा आएंगे. इसका मतलब कट ऑफ्स are going to go up. और अगर पेपर टफ है, सबके लिए टफ है. It's tough for all. So why to be sad about it? सबके नंबर कम आने वाले हैं. So now this is again another important thing. Your mindset during the examination is so critical and so crucial over here. टफ है, सब लोग एक ही बोट में हो आप लोग. All of you are in the same boat. सारे लोग जो एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. तो अगर टफ है तो सबके लिए टफ है. आप उस दिन आराम से कुछ क्वेश्चन छोड़ो, कुछ करो. इजी लग रहा है तो ऑटोमेटिकली ज्यादा कर पाओगे आप. Of course, अगर आप prepared हो तो. I mean, that's the whole point. So that's where you need to focus more on the rank itself rather than marks. तो 12th वाले टेम्पो से बाहर निकल जाओ. नहीं तो 12th में लोगों को 90, 95, 98, 99, पता नहीं 100 भी आ जाता है परसेंट in all the subjects. कैसे आ जाता है पता नहीं, but then आ जाता है. That's how it is. But here we are not talking in terms of कि मुझे 150 अगर क्वेश्चन है, I need full marks. Forget it, my friends. Not possible. Not desirable. Not very logical, I would say. So be very careful about it. The choices you make in the examination, right? So moving on, look at some people who are like lawyers and who have made it big. Lavanya Rajmani, Professor of International Environmental Law at Faculty of Law, University of Oxford. See, so all these people, Mr. Ram Jethmalani, amazing lawyer, 15 minutes में केस खत्म कर देते और amazing salary पर, right? I mean, you know him, ex-president Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. See, ऐसे eminent lawyer हैं, ये है profession, ex-CJI. That kind of respect these people get, ex-CJI. ये lawyer नहीं है, he is not a lawyer, right? So this was again a different version of doing a BA LLB or whatever, right? But then still, so a lot of logic, a lot of critical reasoning required. So there's something called critical reasoning and deductive reasoning. Assumption, conclusion, inference, इनकी जरूरत पड़ती है lawyers को. और ये questions बहुत exam में आ रहे हैं my friends. Critical reasoning, deductive reasoning करना पड़ेगा, which means आपको सामने facts और evidences को देखकर inferences draw करने पड़ेंगे. You need to draw inferences. Okay, so we were discussing about how important is it to understand critical reasoning and deductive reasoning to crack this entrance examination. See, these terms may be new to you, and if you have not done a lot on this, my friends, be prepared on it and work on it for the next 1 month. You have to. There's no way out, right? Your profession demands that you know about assumptions, inference, strengthen, weaken, course of action, all this stuff. So be careful. अगर ये चीजें आपने नहीं पढ़ी है ज़्यादा, please इस पे focus कर दो. I'm sure थोड़ी English पढ़ ली होगी, थोड़ा maths कर लिया होगा, but ये reasoning वाला aspect करना ज़रूरी है. I tell you, all of you, right? So that's one important thing about this examination. Another important thing about this examination is that a lot of times when you look at this section, legal reasoning, अभी ये भी एक section है आपके exam में. Apart from logical reasoning, you have legal reasoning. Earlier they used to call it legal aptitude बोलते थे पहले, but then now they call it legal reasoning. See, इस वाले section में the CLAT authorities, they have clearly mentioned this time that they are not going to give you lot of jargons used in legal, legal system, which means you'll not be tested on the technical words used in law as such. So that's again an interesting information, which means you should not be spending a lot of time, memorizing all those legal terms and other things. Why so? Because their questions this time in the legal reasoning will be, as per them, based on passages. Will be based on passages. This is an important change, all of you, all the aspirants. They'll give you a passage with 3 to 4 paragraphs. उन paragraphs में you'll see some facts hidden, some principles of law already given to you. You don't need to memorize it. You'll be there in the case. Based on that, there'll be a question, or there'll be some questions with options. And you need to mark that option based on whatever is there right in front of you. So that kind of thing. So if you work, you should work in the right direction. If you know कि ऐसा पेपर हो गया है, changes हैं इस बार, तो मुझे वैसे ही work करना है. नहीं तो बहुत बार क्या होता है, you end up working hard for some 8 to 10 hours every day, but that too in a different direction. Exam इस तरफ है और हम पढ़ाई उस तरफ कर रहे हैं, तो क्या मिलेगा इससे? So be very careful. I'm telling you about the actual details of the examination as per the CLAT website. Right? There is also a sample paper available on their website. You can easily go and check it. You'll get to know. We have researched from the sample paper itself. People from time. So this time your examination is going to be full of passages. Passages you'll see in reading comprehension, English section as well as in this legal reasoning section. In both these sections, you're going to see a lot of reading comprehension passages. तो क्या करना है, कैसे तैयारी करोगे आपको एवरी डे कम से कम 2 से 3 पैसेज करने चाहिए. इसका मतलब आपका 2 सेक्शन विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. हाँ, लीगल रीजनिंग के सेक्शन में जो अंदर पैसेज होगा दैट मे बी बेस्ड ऑन सम cases, some legal issues, It may be based on, say, Article 370 for that matter, or it may be based on, our constitution and, the judicial system maybe. It can be based on some crime and some, remedial actions taken by the courts and the constitution of our country, something of that sort. So those passages in legal reasoning will be normally most likely based on all these issues. So just be comfortable reading these kind of issues. So daily try to read things like this and solve some passages. That'll be a very important tip for all of you. So while you're preparing for legal reasoning and English as well. So a lot of passages to be seen in the examination, right? Apart from what I mentioned was critical reasoning and deductive reasoning. That's an important thing. Say, when I say deductive reasoning, what I mean is, कहीं पर अगर लिखा है कि भाई all the A's are B's and all the A's are C's, for example. So if all the A's are B's and all the A's are C's, what can you draw from this? What can you deduce from this? So something of that sort. इससे क्या निकाल सकते हैं? सारे के सारे A अगर B हैं, सारे के सारे A अगर C हैं, तो हम इससे क्या ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? Can we say that all the B's are C's? Can we say that all the C's are B's? No, we cannot surely say that. We can surely say that some B's are C's and some C's are B's. So there are different techniques to solve this. So there's something called tick cross method. You do it like this, you eliminate this is your answer. Some B's are C's, something of that sort. So know those tips and tricks of reaching answers by deducing from the factual details given to you, the facts given to you, right? So critical reasoning and deductive reasoning again is the key. Okay, so these are the areas you need to focus. New areas, these are new areas. You need to focus on new areas. भाई vocab, grammar ये सब तो आप कर चुके हो, आपको पता होता है. मैथ्स के बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आपको पता होते हैं. और जो न्यू एरियाज है उस पे आपको वर्क करना पड़ेगा to score more in this examination called LAT. अभी देखो करियर तो अमेजिंग है. आपको बताया, सर ने भी बताया पहले कि अमेजिंग करियर है लॉ के बाद. गवर्नमेंट में भी है, कॉर्पोरेट में भी और इंटरनेशनल लॉ फर्म्स. You can choose to be in the courts or you can choose to be out of the courts as well. In terms of say corporate lawyers or other, law, companies, you can join all those companies. So there are a lot of patent issues or copyright issues and all. So I mean, those are again very interesting fields. Financial consultancies, they require lawyers. A lot of multinational companies, they require lawyers. Banks, of course, they need a lot of lawyers. So opportunities तो huge है, I tell you, बहुत huge opportunities. और 4-5 years में आपको इतना पढ़ा देते हैं कि आप बिल्कुल, full of knowledge हो जाते हैं. Lawyer, that's what it is. So these are the opportunities, all of you. And I mean, if you look at companies, there are like international law firms where you can get recruitments. You can get in Indian law firms. You can get in the banks, all these ICICI, Citibank, insurance companies. You can get in so many options. See, pharma companies, all these consultancies, like Bain, McKinsey, Goldman Sachs, all these kind of companies, they recruit, lawyers. They need it. They need them actually. Security and Exchange Board of India, a lot of NGOs, they need lawyers, right? So I tell you, opportunities are huge. So there are a lot of different types of companies which come for placement at different law colleges. So this time, as I said, the number of questions have gone down to 150. Earlier, there used to be 200. So see, maths may, you're going to get few questions. You're going to get a lot of questions here. Legal aptitude, logical reasoning here. GK here. So a lot of focus has to be here. English also is important. So as I said, this time the examination will be mostly reading based. A lot of reading material, one has to go through to crack this exam this year. Be it legal aptitude section, legal reasoning section, logical reasoning section or English section, right? So if you wish to divide your time every day, how do you divide your time? So you should be spending more time where you get more number of questions. That's so simple to understand. That's what you can infer from this. As I said, inference, conclusion, assumptions, they are important terms for you guys, which you'll definitely see in the exam. Okay. Now, as per the current announcement, so far they are saying paper-based, but expectation is that it may be online given the situation. Some 2-3 years ago, CLAT used to conduct their examination online, but then they changed from online to paper-based. And now it seems this year, again, they may need to change from paper-based to online. So that is what we are expecting. There is no clarifications yet from the CLAT authorities so far, right? And as I said, 150 questions in 120 minutes. Not based on memorization. Don't memorize all those legal terms, please. If in case in GK you get a question that how many high courts are there in India, so that you need to know. By high courts kitne hai India? Supreme Court kitna hai India? Who is the current Chief Justice? You know, Mr. Sharad Arvind Bobde. Interesting name hai. The current CJI. So see, if these kind of questions come in GK, that doesn't mean they are legal questions. They are like normal general knowledge questions. A lot of people, they have a wrong notion that GK में legal questions भरे हुए होंगे. Please check the papers of last 3 years. This is not true. In GK, they give you a lot of questions on. Current affairs. Current affairs दे रहे हैं वो GK में. And some questions of this type maybe. Or, you know, when, say for example, if in case ask you, what is Article 370? Now, you cannot tell me that this is a legal question. This is a basic general knowledge question. So these kind of questions you can see in the GK section. Some questions on political science. But then I tell you, most of the questions will be based on either, you know, current issues or some static GK may also be there. So that's what it is. So mostly current issues, some questions on static GK. Maybe from say history, yes, history. From geography, yes, from geography. They've given a lot of questions in last few years on history, geography, you know, economics, different subjects of your class 7th, 8th, and 9th. So your job is to focus here more and a bit of this also. That's what GK is going to be actually saying, right? And as I already told you, critical reasoning is so important. Logic-based questions will be there for sure. That's what this examination is all about. So mostly current affairs, some static GK. Vocab and grammar, if it is there, they'll give you some context. Because this time, as per the sample paper on the website of CLAT, it seems that they're going to give you only passages. But then nothing can be predicted. But the sample paper has only passages. And through those sentences, they have asked some meanings of, you know, some words. So vocab questions embedded in reading comprehension. So that's what it is. Para-based questions के लिए आप लोग ready हो जाओ. थोड़ा practice change करना पड़ेगा. Graphs, tables वगैरह भी देखना पड़ेगा. So don't be scared. Don't be afraid that you'll get all those legal terminologies and all. No, my friends, you may not get so many of them. You may get few, but then you will not going to get so many. Here you have to work on English, reasoning, GK, passage-based questions. That's what you need to work on. Some quantitative techniques, maths, basic arithmetic, algebra, basic maths. Till 10th. Very clear, actually. So this is actually the syllabus. So probably if in case you put in, you can get passages from modern history, from philosophy, from literature, anywhere. It's not legal. Anywhere they can give you passage in English section. Questions can be based on, say, assumptions, inference, conclusion, and all this type. What is more important is accuracy. Wherever you're not sure, leave that question. दूसरे करो. ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करना है. भाई time भी लगाओगे और गलत भी मिलेगा, क्या फायदा? 2 मिनट भी गया और -1 भी मिला. Is it worthwhile? Is it worthwhile? Time भी लगा और minus भी मिले. Be careful. Similarly, GK, as I already told you, I mean, daily newspaper, आजकल वैसे कुछ खास है नहीं न्यूज़पेपर में. एक ही चीज़ है, न्यूज़पेपर तो आ भी नहीं रहा मुझे लगता है. टीवी न्यूज़ में they only talk of all those vaccines and people, you know, suffering from the disease and all this stuff. अभी थोड़ा वो क्लब फुटबॉल शुरू हुआ है वैसे. क्लब फुटबॉल has started. Tennis, I think, शुरू हो गया है स्पोर्ट्स में. So there may be some questions based on sports as well in the exams, in GK section. Yes. It can be questions based on, say, RBI policies, the schemes by Government of India. So go through those things. So those are current issues. The last 6 months is what we normally ask you to do. And some strategy. ये करना पड़ेगा. History, geography, economics, थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? So that is when I talk of, you know, the preparation itself. Maths में 13 से 16 क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं. ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लो, बस थोड़ा डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन और ग्राफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस कर लो, बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आपने DI ज़्यादा नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस सम डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. आई टेल यू, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होगी आपको एग्जाम में. टाइम है आपके पास. For legal reasoning, again, it will be based on passages. So there is a change. Legal reasoning section is expected to have facts and principles embedded in the passage. So it will be more of situational. No prior legal knowledge as such is required to solve this. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको पूरा legal knowledge होना चाहिए. अभी अगर legal knowledge है, वहाँ law school में पढ़ाएंगे क्या फिर? भाई आप लॉयर अभी थोड़ी हो, लॉयर बनोगे, तो क्या वो एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे आपसे कि आपको सारा कुछ वो टॉर्ट्स, क्रिमिनल लॉज और सब कुछ पहले से पता होना चाहिए? ऑफ कोर्स नॉर्मली नॉट. हाँ, बट यू शुड नो अ बिट ऑफ इट. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दैट यू कैन फाइंड इट इजियर टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड दोज पैसेजेस. थोड़ा पता होना चाहिए कि टॉर्ट्स क्या है, क्रिमिनल लॉ क्या है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स क्या होता है, कितने आर्टिकल्स हैं, कितने शेड्यूल्स हैं हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में. You should know a bit of it. What's a preamble? You should know definitely about it. What is a secular state? You should know about it, right? तो ये तो basic GK बोलूंगा मैं इसको. That's what it is. ठीक है? So please start working on all these areas, my friend, and all the students right over there, aspirants. You'll not find it, this exam, you'll not find it difficult. But please work in the right direction. सिर्फ मेहनत करके फल नहीं मिलता आजकल. आज की डेट में इट्स स्मार्ट वर्क. सो दैट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ठीक है? और कुछ मॉक पेपर दोगे आप जरूर. तो अगर मॉक्स नहीं दोगे तो हाउ डू यू नो वेयर डू यू स्टैंड vis-a-vis द कंपटीशन? आफ्टर यू टेक दोस टेस्ट, यू शुड एनालाइज दोस टेस्ट्स, आइडेंटिफाई योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, योर वीकनेसेस, वर्क ऑन योर वीकनेसेस, strengthen your strengths. That should be your mantra, I would say, for success. Okay, so next 1 month, all of you are in fact logged home. I think a lot of time at home these days. Manage your time well. Put some 6 to 8 hours in your studies. बाकी 1-2 घंटे योगा करो, एक्सरसाइज करो, आप मेडिटेशन करो. सब कुछ जरूरी है. And I tell you, you can crack this examination. And one more thing, please do give some breaks while you prepare. Breaks जरूरी है. 8 घंटे लगातार हम पढ़ेंगे, हमारी एफिशिएंसी 50% हो जाती है. बुक के साथ तो बैठे हम 8 घंटे, बट पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही इतनी. मैं बता रहा हूँ और आपको पता है. You know this, right? So give proper breaks. हर 1-1.5 घंटे में 2 घंटे में ब्रेक दो. थोड़ा घूम कर आओ, थोड़ा कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें करो, right? बट जब पढ़ाई करो तो पढ़ाई करो. It's like that. So that should be your strategy for the mother of all the law exams, and that's CLAT. And through CLAT, you can apply to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University colleges as well. Trinity and all, you can apply to these colleges. You need to fill the form. आपको फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा, तभी आप अप्लाई कर पाओगे. क्लैट तो दोगे आप, बट ये फॉर्म भी भरने पड़ेंगे, so that you can apply to these colleges. So that's an important information. Okay, so that's where I would like to end my discussion. All the aspirants, I would like to wish you all the best and good luck to all the aspirants. So keep you calm, look ahead, be positive, but then just don't be positive, do something, work hard in that direction, work smart, take mock tests, practice every day, and of course give yourself some time to relax and recreate also, right? So thank you from my end. So I'm through. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an enlightening session. For the Q&A and the mock quiz that we have planned.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. At the Q&A round, we have a lot of questions and queries from our students, as they are very confused, and they have anxiety about how to prepare for the examination, how to go on for the admission, everything. So we have a lot of questions. I request Manjinder sir to please on his speaker. Sir, Manjinder sir.
Yes, ma'am. Pardon, I can't hear you.
Sir, I'm welcoming you, and I'm saying a lot of questions which students have about that, how they should proceed for their career, and they are confused in dilemma. So there are some questions we have from the students. So if you could please.
Yeah, please ask.
Hello.
Yeah, can I have a question?
Yes, sir. So the first question is from a student that how many attempts are allowed for CLAT? Hello.
So see, there is no age limit in CLAT. So you can attempt even for once, twice, thrice, or 4 times. It totally depends on you. So there is no upper age limit. It's not like that if you are 21 years old, you can't apply. If you're 22 years old, you can't apply. There is no limit. You can apply for one time or multiple times. It's not like IIT JEE.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So the next question is again for you, that which are the institutions or universities which consider CLAT score?
All right. So I'll suggest students to write it down. There are 22 national universities in India. Out of this 22, 21 national universities take score of CLAT. There is one national university located in Delhi, basically in Dwarka. So they take their own entrance exam, which is known as IELET, A-I-L-E-T. Now CLAT score is considered by all 22 NLUs, all 22 national universities, plus IP University, Nasi Monji Mumbai, Army Law School Mohali, and Institute of Legal Studies Pune. One more, Nirma University, Ahmedabad. So I am repeating those colleges again. One is national universities, second is IP University, third is Nasi Monji, Mumbai, fourth is Nirma, Ahmedabad, and fifth is Institute of Legal Studies, Pune.
I hope the students have, the participants have noted it down. Sir have provided a valuable information. Please, I request all of you to note it down. Sir, I have another question from Harshita. There's a participant, Harshita. She has asked, what is the benefit or profit of attempting CLAT?
Okay. See, uh, it's like this. If you are planning for engineering, a science stream candidate once plans to do an engineering, which college or which exam comes to your mind first? It is IIT. So अगर engineering करनी है, my major goal is going to IITs. In the same manner, if you take commerce और आप बोलते हो मुझे BCom ऑनर्स करना है, तो आपका कॉलेज को आपका ड्रीम कॉलेज कौन सा होता है? SRCC. अगर मुझे लॉ करनी है, if I want to be a lawyer, my dream colleges should be national law universities. Now, national law universities take a common entrance exam known as CLAT. So, one reason to target CLAT is that all good colleges pan India takes the score of CLAT. Second reason, good colleges even in IP universities. In fact, all colleges in IP university also take score of CLAT. So if you are not attempting CLAT, you cannot apply to IP university law colleges. So if I want to do my BA LLB or BBA LLB from Trinity College and I have not applied to CLAT, I cannot do my BBA LLB or BA LLB. Third reason, this is the toughest entrance exam. And I'm sure you've heard of a very famous line that you prepare for the toughest, you will definitely prepare for the rest. चांद को छूने की ख्वाहिश रखोगे तो सितारों में गिरोगे. So if you're preparing for CLAT, you are automatically prepared for many other law entrance exams like Symbiosis, Jamia, Christ, MET, UPES Dehradun, Maharashtra CUT, LSAT. So CLAT is the mother of all the exams.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, we have another question from a student. Abhishek is the name of the student. He's asking that is there the changes which are there, which have been made in the syllabus of CLAT 2020? How should we, how should we tackle them?
Okay, I think Podar sir, this is a little technical with respect to preparation. I think Podar sir, you should answer it.
Anyone who is comfortable can ask this question.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay.
Amit sir, you're not audible.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
I'm audible, right? So can you repeat the question, please?
So this question is by a student, Abhishek, and he's asking that there are changes in the syllabus of CLAT 2020.
That's
so
right.
he's saying that how to tackle with these changes.
Okay. Hi, Abhishek. So see, the point is these changes are in fact in your favor. That's the good news. So these changes are in favor of all the aspirants. So one change which I already explained was the number of questions have gone down. Time remains the same. So you have around 120 minutes and you have 150 questions instead of 200. That's one good thing. Second thing, they're not going to ask a lot of legal based questions. Whatever facts, principles they want to get the answers from, those facts and principles will be there in the passage itself. So which means you have to practice a lot of reading based things. So earlier they used to give small cases and one question, but now a lot of cases can be inside a big case. So that's another change in the examination, right? Apart from this, if you look at the GK section also. So as per the CLAT sample paper, which is there on their website, they have given paragraphs for even GK questions, which means paragraph they may talk of say presidents of America, उनकी बातें चल रही हैं, American presidents की, और फिर उससे वो आपसे question पूछेंगे, who was the first president of America, what was what happened in the civil war in America, when was it, इस तरह के question वो आपको पैराग्राफ देंगे और फिर उससे या उसके थोड़े बाहर से वो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. So it will normally not be like one statement, oh, what's the capital of Estonia, and then 4 options. There may be some questions like that, but then based on the sample paper, it seems even GK questions में वो आपको passages देने वाले हैं और फिर उससे question पूछने वाले हैं. So that kind of thing. So I think all these changes are in favor of the aspirants मेरे हिसाब से, कि आपके फेवर में ही है, यानी कि जो चीजें ऐसा आपके सामने है, आपको उसी सामने वाली चीजों को देखकर समझकर वहीं से आंसर निकालना, राइट. और प्लस क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग मैंने कहा तुम्हें, थोड़ा क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग और डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग करो, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में आने वाली वो चीज. सो दीज आर सम चेंजेस व्हिच दे हैव इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. एंड अबाउट ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन वी आर नॉट वेरी श्योर सो फार, दो दे आर सेइंग इट विल बी पेपर बेस्ड, so we don't know whether it will be paper based or online. So I hope I have answered your question, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is another participant, Ananya Goyal. I think so. She has this. Her context of question is the same to the earlier one. She says that the changes which are made in CLAT syllabus, it is just for the CLAT examination for this year, or the pattern for the following year.
It is. You know, if it is this year, it should be for the coming years also. But see, we cannot predict future, so it'll be difficult to exactly say that even next year they're going to follow the same pattern, because of the current situation. They may even further change. I tell you that in the light of the current situation, CLAT pattern may see some further changes. So wait for another 10-15 days and you may see some more changes for this year. What's going to happen next year? I mean, why are you worried for that right now?
Okay. Sir, I think the situation is making them, worried about their future.
अभी से ही सेकंड अटेम्प्ट के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. अभी एक अटेम्प्ट तो दे दो, दूसरा अटेम्प्ट क्यों देना है?
Yes, sir.
मनिंदर सर ने बोला कि अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हैं, अपर एज लिमिट है. लगता है पूरा अपर एज लिमिट पूरा करने का ख्याल है.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is another question for you, Amit sir. Sir, Harshad Jain, he is asking, what is the important thing that we need to be prepared for BALB?
For the entrance examination.
Yeah, for the entrance exam.
See, you need to have a good vocabulary. You should know a bit of grammar. Your reading speed should be good. You should know maths till class 10th level, basic mathematics. You should know some Vedic maths. Your calculation should be good enough because you have less time. Your speed of reading should be really good because you have less time, right? You need to know some puzzles-based questions like blood relations, number series, a bit of circular arrangement, permutation combination, a bit of probability. So basic things you need to know. You need to know about last 6 months of current affairs, whatever has happened in the country. पिछले 4 महीने में तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ वैसे, मतलब उसके पहले 2 महीने के पहले. So 6-7 months. You need to know about some static GK from your class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Static GK, I mean all those history, geography, civics, science, general science, economics and all. So जो sections है आपके exam में, you need to know a bit of all of those. Exam में जो नहीं आएगा आपको, आप छोड़ देना वो question, दूसरे questions करना. सारे question तो कोई भी नहीं करता. So that's how it is. So these things you should know to crack this examination.
Sir, there is a student, there is a participant, Atul Rai. He's saying that he's facing a bit of problem in cracking the critical reasoning section. So is there any advice you would like to give him? He's seeking for your help, your advice.
See, critical reasoning में जो most important चीज है वो ये है कि आपके सामने जो information है, you have to be in the shoes of that person. और उनकी तरफ से सोचना शुरू करो, like a debate. जैसे हम डिबेट करते हैं या जीडी करते हैं, उस तरह से आपको दूसरे के पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचना पड़ेगा, तो आप इजीली आंसर कर सकते. 1. सेकंड, अगर मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग में, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द पैराडॉक्स? सो देयर इज अ केस एंड द क्वेश्चन सेज व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द पैराडॉक्स, एंड व्हाट इफ आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द पैराडॉक्स? विल आई बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट द रीजन? नो. सो व्हिच मीन्स जो ये 10, 12, 15 टर्म्स हैं क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग के, वो क्लियर होना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में. कुछ मैं बता रहा हूं आपको. यू शुड नो व्हाट्स एन इन्फरेंस, assumption, premise, strengthen, weaken, course of action, paradox, parallel reasoning, flaw in the argument. You should know a bit of all these words. क्योंकि अगर आपको क्वेश्चन ही नहीं समझ में आएगा तो आप पैराग्राफ पढ़ के आंसर नहीं कर पाओगे। ये 10-12 वर्ड्स को आप क्लियर करो पहले, और कुछ प्रैक्टिस करो क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग की। बुकलेट्स हैं बहुत सारे, आप मटेरियल में से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग सर्च करो आप ऑनलाइन, आपको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस भी मिल जाएंगे। So that's how you should be preparing for critical reasoning.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, there's another one common question which has been asked by many students, Harshita, Anjali, many students have asked it, that how to deal with the comprehensive passage type of questions, because it takes a lot of time. So how to, manage time there? That is a big issue for the students.
In fact, it is, because this time around, they're going to see a lot of passages. As per the sample paper which is there on the website, they're going to see some 4 to 5 passages in the English section. They're going to see similar kind of passage in the legal reasoning section. दोनों सेक्शन में नजर आने वाले। देखो, अभी पैसेज टैकल करने का तो तरीका पहले तो ये है कि रीड द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट लाइंस ऑफ द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ एंड द लास्ट पैराग्राफ। जल्दी से स्कैनिंग करो, जस्ट चेक द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पैरा एंड द लास्ट पैरा ऑफ द पैसेज। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको थोड़ी बहुत बात समझ में आ रही है, then go and look at the questions देखो कि questions क्या पूछ रहे। So this will take around 30 seconds to 1 minute, and in this much time you have to decide whether I should do this passage or not do this passage. देखो सारे passages कर तो पाओगे नहीं, so you have to choose the passages based on your area of interest and comfort level. ये पता करने का तरीका यही है। आपको 2 लाइन इंट्रो पैराग्राफ का, 2 लाइन कंक्लूडिंग पैराग्राफ का पढ़ना होगा। उसके बाद you can read some questions, 1-2 questions पढ़ के फिर आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो I should go ahead or not. One. Second thing, after you decide you'll do it, quickly give it a reading. पढ़ते वक्त आप सिर्फ मेन आइडियाज पे ध्यान दोगे। Don't give importance to all those examples and opinions given. मेन मुद्दा क्या है, हर पैराग्राफ में एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट होता है। Please try to identify that one important point from every paragraph, just one. Keep that in your mind, in your head somewhere, or write it down somewhere. इससे आपका जो 500 वर्ड का पैराग्राफ है वो 100 वर्ड का बन जाएगा। ये बहुत जरूरी है। You have to make that lengthy paragraph of 500 to 700 words a 100 word small summary kind of thing. अगर ये आप कर पा रहे हो अपने माइंड में, I tell you, आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाएगा to locate answers and locate hints, और फिर आप आंसर्स ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट करके पहुंच जाओगे। But at the end of it, practice is the key. आप जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे और जितनी गलतियां करोगे उससे आप सीखोगे। So never be scared of committing mistakes, doing mistakes. Do mistakes, but then do new mistakes every time. पुरानी गलती मत दोहराओ, नई गलतियां करो और फिर उससे सीखो, फिर नई गलतियां करो, फिर उससे सीखो। So don't be afraid of committing mistakes, but please learn from those mistakes. और एक ही गलती बार बार मत करो। That's the whole point. So practice a lot. At least 2-3 पैसेज आप डेली करो, इंग्लिश वाले भी और वो लीगल वाले भी, क्योंकि आंसर जो है आपके सामने है, पैसेज आपके सामने है, क्वेश्चन आपके सामने है, आंसर सामने ही है। इससे आसान क्या होगा बताओ मुझे? ना वो ग्रामर है, वो कैब है, कुछ भी नहीं है, सब कुछ सामने है, आपको ढूंढ के बताना है बस। सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस अ बिट, आई टेल यू, इतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा आरसीज को करना। एज आई टोल्ड अर्लियर ऑल्सो, पेपर इज इन योर फेवर, तुम्हारे साथ है पेपर, तुम्हारी तरफ से है। लगता है क्लैट वाले मिल गए एस्पिरेंट्स, ऐसा लग रहा है। ठीक है,
thank you so much, sir. I think so our students will be now moving towards a positive way in a better manner. Sir, there is another question from a student named Harshita. She has asked that, sir, how to manage time during the examination, because many students have asked this question that when you are doing the CLAT examination, you move from one section to another section. So how to deal with the time management? Basic question of the students.
So to understand time management, we need to understand that what is the required score based on the past trends. Yes. Past trends देखिए, ठीक है? Last few years examination 200 number का होता था, 200 marks. Out of 200 marks, if anybody gets around 100, 110, those people get good law colleges, which means how much? 50% of the whole paper. If you're able to get around 130, 140, out of how much? 200. which means around 60 to 70%, you get what? You get the top law college of India. You will be among the topper of India. Topper बन जाओगे अगर आपका स्कोर 200 में से 140 तक आता है. Imagine. Which means 180 किसी को नहीं आता, 170 किसी को नहीं आता. That's how it is. That's what it is. Going by the same trend of 60 to 70%, if I talk right now it is about 150 questions, right? So 150 questions आपको करने हैं 120 minutes में. But of course आप 150 तो करोगे नहीं. So around, if you attempt around 110, 120 questions and try to get anything close to 80 or 90, you will get the top colleges, more or less, I'm saying, more or less, I'm saying, right? So now how much time do you have? So 90 questions and 120 minutes. आपके पास ज़्यादा टाइम है. आप तो 90-100 क्वेश्चन ही करने वाले हो ना, ये 110 कर लोगे, सारे थोड़ी करोगे. So please don't calculate time in terms of कि मेरे पास 120 मिनट्स है 150 क्वेश्चन है. माय डियर फ्रेंड, कोई भी 150 क्वेश्चन नहीं करने वाला है. पहली बात तो ये, आपके पास टाइम है. यू हैव मोर देन 1 मिनट और अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 मिनट एवरी क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, दैट्स वन. सेकंड, डोंट स्टिक टू द क्वेश्चन. जिस भी क्वेश्चन में आपको लग रहा है टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, प्लीज लीव इट, बाद में करेंगे, देखते हैं, आगे बढ़ो. क्विकली ट्राई एंड डू थिंग्स विच इज इजी फॉर यू. आप किसी भी सेक्शन में जा सकते हो, कहीं भी जा सकते हो. जो आपका स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है, बेस्ट सेक्शन है, उसको पहले करो. इनफैक्ट आई वुड एडवाइज जीके करो पहले. जीके के 35-40 क्वेश्चन आप 10 मिनट में कर सकते हो. माइंड यू माय फ्रेंड्स, 10 मिनट्स में. व्हाई? बिकॉज या तो आपको आता है या नहीं आता. तो इधर यू नो, यू डोंट नो. वहां बैठ के कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी करोगे कि भाई न्यूजीलैंड का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है, अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं तो मैं क्या करूं. आई होप यू गेट द पॉइंट. सो जीके क्वेश्चंस में इधर यू नो और यू डोंट नो. One question will not take around more than 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I hope the point is clear. तो पहले जीके कर लो, उस 30-35 क्वेश्चन को साइड कर लो. Now you're left with around 120, 115 odd questions. And for that 115 odd questions, you have around 110 minutes. ऐसे सोचो. तो जीके के क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको टाइम ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ टिक तो करना है. So it's like that. So these are areas where you can save your time, right? If you look at reasoning section, for example, reasoning section may, when they are mathematical, if you're able to solve a DI set, you can do 3 questions, 4 questions at a time. So these are areas where you can score more. Legal reasoning and English section, they're going to take a lot of time of yours. वहां पर किसी भी गलत पैसेज में मत फंसना, जिसमें थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट लग रहा है, जो थोड़ा रिलेटेड है, वो वाले पैसेज. So that's how you should be able to manage your time. Have a time in mind. 10 मिनट जीके के लिए, 20 मिनट इंग्लिश के लिए, 20 मिनट्स मैथ्स के लिए, 30 मिनट्स लीगल रीजनिंग के लिए. इस तरह से आपको टाइम डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. और ये ऐसा कोई रिजिड टाइम लिमिट नहीं है. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर एरियाज वेयर यू आर गुड एट. स्पेंड मोर टाइम. जहां उतने अच्छे नहीं हुआ वहां पे कम टाइम लगेगा. और अगर आप 10-12 मॉक टेस्ट दोगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कहां पर आप स्ट्रांग हो, कहां वीक हो, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. So that's how you should manage your time, right?
Sir, there is another question, which is another, again, it's a common question and asked by many of the people. But there is a student, Ujjwal Tyagi. He said that he has, given a lot of mock tests which were provided by NLU, and he said that once you submit the portion, we cannot, resubmit it or recheck it. So, sir, how to ensure that, moving ahead of the section will not waste our, time?
I did not get the question.
Sir, I think so. He wants to basically ask that he had attempted mock examination, and he said that as there is thing now that they have to move from one section to another section. All right. So if they don't, they have to submit each section. That's what the student is saying.
No, it's not like that in the examination.
Okay.
It's like you have to submit it only once.
Okay.
You take the whole paper once, submit it once. That's how it is. Not each section submission.
I hope, Ujjwal, it's clear to you. It's just once. All right. Sir, another question by Shruti and Ashish is, what is the minimum marks for passing CLAT?
So there is no pass mark. It depends on other aspirants. You are competing with other aspirants. मान लो उनके पास 3,000-2,000 सीट्स हैं, तो भाई जो टॉप के 2-3 हज़ार लोग हैं वो जाएंगे वहां पर. इस तरह से होगा, राइट? मान लो इंडिया के टॉपर का स्कोर होता है 150 में से 110, और जो सेकंड टॉपर है उसका स्कोर है 90, जो थर्ड टॉपर है उसका स्कोर है 80 और बाकी सबका उसके नीचे। सो 80 वाले का भी होगा, 90 वाले का भी होगा और 110 वाले का भी होगा। इट्स लाइक दैट. So see, you are competing with other students. So there is no minimum passing marks. But yes, to be on a safer side, try to score more than 50% of the paper normally, I'm saying. We would not be able to predict anything, but I'm saying कम से कम 50% से ज़्यादा का target रख के फिर जहाँ तक हो सके आप score करो. So that's what will help you get in the top colleges. So that should be.
Sir, another question is from Muskan Gupta. She is asking, sir, what is the scope of BA-LLB and how to prepare specifically for general knowledge portion section?
Okay, so the second part, how to prepare for GK. Go through your 7th, 8th, 9th, probably some subjects of 7th, 8th, 9th, arts subjects, science, general science, and economics. So go through that. It'll prepare you for static GK. For current affairs, look at the last 6-7 months PPTs. So there are PPTs of monthly PPTs बोलते हैं. हर महीने में जो important events हुए हैं, उसकी सब की एक बनी हुई एक presentation होती है. तो ऐसा अगर आपको मिलता है कहीं पर या magazines मिलती है तो वो करो आप. तो 6-7 months का GK current affairs plus static GK के लिए अपने 7th, 8th, 9th की arts और science और business की किताबें. इन्हीं में से आपको क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे आप कर पाओगे जीके, राइट? सो दैट वाज सेकंड क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ यू कैन रिपीट, मैम.
The first question was, sir, what is the scope of BBA LLB?
स्कोप क्या है तो बताया.
LLB. What is the scope? I think so.
This was answered already. So.
Yeah, this was answered already by Maninder sir. Sir, next question is that. So the student has asked not to take the name. So he has said, sir, I'm weak in mathematics. How to deal with the numerical ability section and the quantitative aptitude section?
See,
that's what
the point is, if you're weak in mathematics and you just have 1 month to go for it, I would advise don't focus a lot on mathematics. Focus on other areas. Mathematics से 13-14 questions आएंगे बस. So what I would say is कम से कम 5 से 7 चैप्टर निकाल लो अपने 7th, 8th, 9th के. स्पीड टाइम डिस्टेंस कर लो, थोड़ा नंबर सीरीज कर लो, थोड़ा वर्क वाले क्वेश्चंस कर लो और बेसिक अरिथमेटिक अलजेब्रा के क्वेश्चंस कर लो बस. बिकॉज अभी टाइम नहीं है एक वीक एरिया को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का, माय फ्रेंड. 1 सेकेंड, क्लैट वाले लोग मैथ्स के उतने क्वेश्चंस पूछ ही नहीं रहे हैं आपसे, बिकॉज आगे जाकर लॉयर बनोगे थोड़ी वहाँ कोर्ट में जाके मैथ्स सॉल्व करोगे, कैलकुलस वहाँ पर, ठीक है? सो दैट दे अंडरस्टैंड. सो दैट्स व्हाई you, as an advice, I would say, please don't focus on maths right now. Just do 5 to 7 chapters and please focus on other areas जहाँ पर आप score कर सकते हो. So there are 4 other areas. Please focus on those areas. नहीं तो इस चक्कर में क्या होगा, आपका दूसरे एरियाज में नंबर कम आ जाएंगे और मैथ्स में वैसे भी क्वेश्चंस कम आने हैं. So just do 5 to 7 important chapters and whatever you get from those chapters in the examination, solve those. 7-8 क्वेश्चन कर लेना आप मैथ्स के, बाकी आप दूसरे एरियाज पे. So that should be.
Sir, there is a participant, Abdul Karim. He is saying that, sir, how important it is to get a high score in 12 to attempt CLAT, basically.
I mean, they have this eligibility, 45% चाहिए उनको. अब कितना भी हाई कितना भी लो कर लो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Okay.
So probably they don't consider, I mean, so far, I don't know आगे, but so far they don't consider your 12th का marks much. So उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir.
इंटरव्यू भी तो नहीं होता ना वहाँ पर, that's the point. अगर इंटरव्यू होता तो शायद वो आपके मार्क्स का फर्क पड़ता था.
Alright. Sir, I think so. There's a student who says that I'm confused between law and management. How to deal with my confusion and dilemma?
There is no confusion right now. Neither you have law nor you have management in your hand right now. अभी तो आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. अब ना तो BBA में एडमिशन हुआ है आपका, ना ही लॉ में हुआ है, ना ही कॉलेज आपको बुला रही है, राइट? तो क्या करो आप पहले दोनों का एग्जाम दो. टेक बोथ एग्जाम्स, गेट द कॉल्स, सी योर रैंक्स, और फिर दोनों में से जिसमें अच्छे रैंक हो उसके बाद डिसाइड करें कि किसमें जाना है किसमें नहीं जाना. बिकॉज से टिल द टाइम आई हैव थिंग्स इन माय हैंड, हाउ डू आई मेक चॉइसेस? 1 सेकंड, दोनों के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में सेक्शंस कॉमन है. एक सेक्शन अलग है आपके लॉ में वो लीगल वाला, और एक सेक्शन अलग है आपके BBA में वो मैनेजमेंट वाला. बस everything else is same. So ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट भी नहीं लगेगा, राइट? सो इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड, एक बात ये है कि आप दोनों एग्जाम दे दो। सेकेंड, आप सोचो आज से 10 साल बाद आप क्या करना चाहते हो, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ, किस तरह की जिंदगी आपको चाहिए, राइट? उस बारे में थोड़ा सोचो और अपने पेरेंट्स वगैरह से बात करो कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी कैसी है। बेस्ड ऑन दीज टू थिंग्स आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि आपको किस तरह के जॉब रोल पसंद आएंगे, जॉब रोल किस तरह का काम आपको फिट होगा, सूट करेगा। वैसे अभी पता नहीं चलता, 11-12 में क्या पता चलता, नहीं पता चलता, बट स्टिल मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी से रिलेटेड जॉब रोल अगर चाहते हो तो वो आपको अपने गार्जियन टीचर से बात करनी पड़ेगी, सो दैट दे कैन टेल यू कि आप इस तरह के पर्सन हो तो आप ये काम कर सकते हो, तो ये भी आप कर सकते हो। बट मेरे हिसाब से आई वुड टेल यू कि प्लीज क्रैक बोथ द एग्जाम्स, गेट गुड रैंक्स इन बोथ द एग्जाम्स, हैव बोथ द ऑप्शंस रेडी फॉर यू, फिर you'll have an upper hand, फिर डिसाइड करो कि कहाँ जाना है कहाँ नहीं जाना। अभी तो वो चॉइस क्रिएट ही नहीं हुए ना, तो कंफ्यूजन तो है ही नहीं, कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं, राइट?
Thank you, Amit sir. I think so. We have, though there are a lot of questions, but these are repetitive questions. We will definitely give your answers. But thank you, Amit sir. Thank you so much for solving the problems of our participants and guiding them in such a positive way. Thank you so much, sir. I hand over to Akansha. Akansha, ma'am, please take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, for the Q&A.
It was a pleasure.
I would just like to announce, make a small announcement, but a very significant announcement, since many participants had this doubt in their mind, is just to announce that to take admission in law course in IP University colleges, it is compulsory to register in IP University as well as for CLAT. So both the registrations you need to do, right? Now I would like to invite Dr. Barkha Beher, Director TIPS, to kindly announce the winners of the mock quiz.
Thank you, Akansha. The first winner is Rita Patel. Congratulations to Rita Patel. And the two consolation prizes. First one goes to Mitisha Nath, and the second one goes to Harshvardhan. And I suppose that their vouchers, they will receive Paytm voucher gifts today or by tomorrow maximum. Congratulations to all three of them. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would like to request you to kindly give the formal vote of thanks as well.
Thank you, Akansha. And first of all, in fact, I would like to congratulate all the 12th class students who have got good score in their board examinations. And I wish them all the best for all their future career endeavors. And I hope that today's session would surely help them score well in CLAT examinations. In addition, I would also like to thank speakers of today, Mr. Amit Poddar and Mr. Manjinder Singh, who have put in so much of hard work and with full dedication. They have answered and tried to resolve the queries of the students which were there today. And in fact, the expertise which they have shared, I think with this, all the students will be benefited, and they definitely, with the tips and tricks and strategies and the success mantras being shared by Mr. Amit, they not only CLAT, whatever courses or whatever competitive examinations they will appear for, they will surely be benefited with this, because what I feel is that it is very important that students should be focused. Plus, in addition, how to manage the stress during examination. Mr. Amit even covered that part also, that you need not have to be worried about if tough questions are there. They are there for everyone. So you are part of it, so you can do your best. So this is what I like most, the way he explained things to the students, which will benefit them in competitive and end-term examinations, in Viva, in every sphere of their examinations, wherever they will appear. So I once again will wholeheartedly thank Mr. Amit Poddar and Mr. Manjinder Singh, who have shared their views and the maximum, the way they explained the things. It was very nice. And I appreciate that during this pandemic time, our whole institution's team is involved in this organizing these online webinars. I think that they need a big round of applause and congratulations to all of them for such a big success. And a special thanks goes to Dr. Shashi Bala, Dr. Romika, Ms. Richa Arora, Akansha, and Mr. Mehtab Alam, who contacted Amit Podar and Mr. Manjinder Singh for this session. Big thank you to all of them. And we are really grateful to our chairman, Sir Dr. R.K. Tandon, for constantly encouraging and motivating us, all of us, to undertake such endeavors in the challenging times that all of us are facing right now. So hearty congratulations to principals and faculties of various schools for their wonderful results of 12th class students. Plus a big thanks to them for encouraging the students to attend today's webinar and motivating them to pursue a career for BA, LLB or any course of their choice also. So during this tough time, we are also planning to organize one webinar on admission process, because right now it is very difficult also, and students also in fact are confused because things are not very much clear that what will be the admission process this time. Otherwise it is before that to this year things were clear, but now at this time how online everything will be performed or how physically things will be performed. So those things will be clear shortly, and whatever information we would be having, to the maximum extent, we will try to resolve all the queries. And in fact, if our institution is open, if any student is interested to visit, we are following all the social distancing and sanitization norms, and with no fear they can visit our institution and have a look of the infrastructure which we have. And otherwise the virtual videos are also available on our Facebook page and on YouTube also, so you can visit them all those also. You will get an idea about the infrastructural facilities which we have at the institution. So with this, and in fact I would also like to emphasize on one important aspect, that at Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, our focus is on quality education, plus we take care of the holistic grooming of the students too. So and in addition, for all these things, we take our students to moot court trials, legal aid activities, group discussions. Then in case the students have any apprehensions with respect to communication skills, so we do take care of those aspects also, communication skills, their life skills. Then in fact we get them, as Amit sir also referred to, that we should do some meditation and yoga. So we do conduct all those things at our institution. And in addition, the students who are interested for sports activities or whatever talents, hidden talents are there, they can come up with their interest, and then we can groom them accordingly with the association of the faculty members. They can perform well in those areas also. And I would be happy to announce that from 20th to 22nd, we are organizing a virtual sports meet too. So I hope that we will be sharing, we can share this with the current students who have they can also participate. There are a number of activities there, video submissions or online activities are there. They can win number of prizes also in that, and they will, I think, really enjoy being part of that sports virtual meet. So with this, and this means that at Trinity we are taking care of not only the professional aspects but the value additions to human beings also, so that they can serve a society in a better way and they are self-satisfied also. With this, I would like to thank you all for the participation, and I hope that in the future whatever webinars we will be organizing, you will be part of it. Thank you, Akansha.
It's a pleasure being here. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you, Mr. Amit.
Thank you.
Very
Everyone.
nicely. You handled queries very nicely. Those are very small tips and tricks, but I know that it is very important because we have to not lose our patience, and you have to persistently work. And we should work in a focused manner, then we will succeed. Thank you.
That's true.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Amit.
Okay, thank you. Tanu.
Bye, everyone. Yeah, it was really a nice session, Mr. Amit. You spoke very well, and you shared subjective knowledge as well with the students and parts of paper. It is really very informative. I think students will be enlightened through this, and they may crack the examination even for the top colleges and universities. It will be a very useful session for the student at large, not only for Trinity but for the students at large. Thank you so much.
Pleasure, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care. I'm leaving.
Thank you to all of you. Before the participants move out and leave this webinar, I would like to inform you all that if you have any other queries, if you need any other help, our admission counselor is there, Mr. Abhishek Sharma. I have floated down his contact number. Don't hesitate. You can contact him and find solutions to your problem. His contact number is 931-5911-716 for BALB. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
A big applause to the law department and allied faculty members.
Sir, I think
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And big applause to Dr. Barkha Bahel,
Thank
Dr.
you, sir.
Shashibala.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
Sir, it is only because of your support.
No. It is all because of efforts made by you people.
Thank you, sir.
Management is very much, grateful to you that you all are taking so much of pain for the students and for Trinity as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Students want to thank you. Some participants are saying that we need to say thank you to Barkha ma'am and Chairman sir for giving us, putting up such webinar, giving us this platform. Thank you so much, sir. We are thanking tips.
Thank you, students, and you're most welcome. Bye-bye. And wishing you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.